Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Bloomberg Terminal Review My Usage Experience. Bloomberg Terminal Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive analysis and user perspective on the Bloomberg Terminal, a powerful financial data and analytics platform. It aims to help potential users understand its capabilities and limitations before committing to a subscription. Key features likely include in-depth reviews of various terminal functions, comparisons with competitors, and potentially tutorials or guides. Their website provides details on the specific aspects covered in their review. The service positions itself as an independent source of information, offering transparent insights into the Bloomberg Terminal's functionality and value. Pricing is not directly addressed in the review itself, as it's focused on the platform's usage experience. The technology behind the review is the analysis and aggregation of user experiences and functionality descriptions, rather than a separate piece of software. Availability is implied, the review itself is the product. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Bloomberg Terminal Review My Usage Experience. I found the review incredibly helpful in understanding the Bloomberg Terminal's complexities. Getting started was easy. The review is structured clearly and logically, making it easy to navigate through the various features discussed. I particularly appreciated the detailed walkthrough of the charting tools, as I'd previously found those confusing on other platforms. The reviewer expertly navigates through the interface and uses key features like news searching and data analysis, providing concrete examples in each section. I felt the performance of the review, in terms of clarity and conciseness, was excellent. The quality of the information was incredibly high, demonstrating a deep understanding of the Bloomberg Terminal. I didn't have any customer support interactions to report, but the information provided was comprehensive enough to answer many of my questions. A standout feature for me was definitely the comparison to other financial data platforms. This contextualization was very valuable. One minor drawback was the lack of video demonstrations. Screenshots alone, while helpful, don't always convey the full user experience. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Bloomberg Terminal Review My Usage Experience. It gave me a far clearer picture of the Bloomberg Terminal and helped me make an informed decision about whether or not it's the right tool for my needs. That's my overview of Bloomberg Terminal Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.